A numeral is a symbol representing a given number, and numeration represents that number in words. In Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, the 10 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are used to write a numeral or number. Each of these 10 symbols is called a digit. Out of these, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numerals, and 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numerals. In a number, the place value of any digit is the value of that digit according to its position in the number, whereas the face value of every digit used in that number is the digit itself. Divisibility of digits. Firstly, 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last unit or digit is even or 0. For example, 4, 8, 12, 30, 258, etc. Secondly, 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 36, 406, 2367, etc. Thirdly, 5 or 0. A number is divisible by 5 if its last unit or digit is either 5 or 0. For example, 10, 25, 40, 65, 85, etc. And at the last, 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. For example, 20, 30, 70, 50, 90, etc. Formation of numbers using the given digits. For example, if we take the following 4 digits, that is 5, 0, 6, and 1, and if the question asks us to make the smallest and greatest out of these numbers, it will be the smallest number obtained from these 4 given digits will be 1056. And if we have to obtain the greatest number out of these 4 digits, it will be 6510. So, there are two main rules for obtaining the number by given digits. Firstly, no digit must be repeated in the same number. And secondly, numbers of the type like 55,016, 66,015, 10,065, etc. are not allowed. More about numbers. The capital letter N denotes natural numbers, which contain all the counting numbers starting from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The capital letter W denotes whole numbers, which contains 0 and all natural numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The capital letter Z or I denotes integers, which contain the negatives of the natural numbers 0 and the positive natural numbers. The capital letter E denotes even natural numbers, which contains all the natural numbers that are divisible by 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. The capital letter O denotes odd natural numbers, which contains all the natural numbers that are not divisible by 2, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. There are infinite, even, and odd natural numbers. The capital letter R denotes real numbers, which contains all the numbers. It can be negative, positive, 0, and also the fractions. For example, minus 10, minus 2, 3, 7, 0, etc. The capital letter P denotes prime natural numbers, which contains all the natural numbers, that is greater than 1 and divisible only by itself and by 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. Now, there's a fun exercise for you. In the question 1, in the number 3,47,825, write the place value and face value of first part 2, second part 4. In the second question, form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits, that is 3, 7, 0, and 5. In the third question, from among the numbers, that is 10, 12, 15, 18, 72, 405, 504, and 1,11,000, 111, which are: first part divisible by 2, second part divisible by 3, third part divisible by 5, and fourth part divisible by 10. Write your answers in the comment box.